In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export my InVideo video to YouTube. First, make sure your video in InVideo is completely finished. Give it a final watch from start to finish. Check your timing, transitions, music levels, and captions, and save your project so nothing gets lost. When you're confident it's ready, head to your project in InVideo's editor or dashboard. Next, look for the Export or Download button, typically in the top right corner of the interface. If you don't see it or it's grayed out, that usually means your plan doesn't include exporting. Keep in mind, exporting is available only for upgraded accounts. If you're on a free plan in some versions, you may encounter limitations like watermarks, and in many cases, full exporting is restricted. Upgrading removes those restrictions and lets you export clean, high-quality files. When you click Export or Download, you'll be prompted to choose your settings. Select your resolution. 1080p is a great default for YouTube because it balances quality and file size. If your footage was created in higher resolution and your account supports it, you can choose that, but 1080p is widely recommended. You'll also see options related to watermarks. If your plan applies a watermark, it will appear on your final video. Upgrading removes it. Confirm the settings that best fit your needs. Click Continue to begin processing. InVideo will render your video, which can take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes depending on length, effects, and resolution. Keep the tab open and avoid putting your device to sleep during this step. You'll see a progress indicator, and once it reaches 100%, you'll get the option to download. Download the video file to your computer. Pick a memorable folder and a clear file name so you can find it easily later. After the download completes, play the file locally to double check that the video and audio look and sound the way you expect. This quick review can save time before you upload. Now you can use the downloaded video to upload to your YouTube channel. Open YouTube on your computer, sign in, and use the upload option to select the file you just saved. While that's processing, it's helpful to prepare a strong title, description, and thumbnail so your video is ready to go live as soon as processing finishes. That's it. Finish your edit, export with the right settings, download the file, and you're ready to upload to YouTube. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your video.